Fortunato Atoy Co. Jr., born October 15, 1951, is a Filipino former basketball player and coach who played 13 seasons in the Philippine Basketball Association, mostly with Crispa Redmanizers. Nicknamed the Fortune Cookie during his playing days, he was notable for his trademark turnaround fadeaway jump shot. He is also a former politician and actor. Co joined the Mapua Cardinals in 1970 and played for the Mapua team for 3 years. He was named the Most Valuable Player MVP during his first 2 years. He also brought his wares with the old Crispa team in the MICAA. Co first played in the PBA on April 22, 1975, scoring 34 points and leading Crispa to a 113-100 to win over CFC, the team's first victory after starting the season with 3 straight defeats. During his PBA stint, he played for the 2-time Grand Slam champion Crispa Redmanizers from 1975 to 1984 with him as one of the team's top scorers. In 1976, he received the All-Filipino Sports Award for basketball. Acting career, Co ventured into television and films after his playing days were over. First as a co-host for the noontime show Student Canteen over at RPN, and started alongside action stars like Philip Salvador in films such as De Lima Gang in 1989. He made a career mostly out of playing supporting roles in films and television series. Politics. Co became a politician when he served as a long-time city councilor of Pasig for 1998 to 2007. In 2010, he ran again as councilor and was successful in his re-election bid. He also operated a sports bar named Atoy's at Metro Walk, Pasig. Coaching career. In 1989, Co became the coach of the Crispa 400 in the PABL, leading the team to 2 titles in 1990 and 1991. He served as the head coach of his alma mater, the Mapua Cardinals, from 2012 to 2018. Sports management career. In 2013, Co became the first commissioner of the UNTV Cup, which is the first charity basketball league dedicated for public servants in the Philippines, an original concept by Mr. Public Service Daniel Raison. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.